World leaders are often seen as powerful figures, but they have hobbies that show a different side of their personalities. These interests, ranging from sports and art to reading and outdoor activities, give them a break from their demanding jobs. By looking at what they enjoy doing in their free time, we can gain insight into their values and how they connect with people. Whether it's painting or hiking, their hobbies often reflect their individuality and can even impact their leadership styles. So in this video, you are going to watch favorite hobby of world leaders. The favorite hobby of Adolf Hitler is art and painting. The President of the United States, Donald Trump, enjoys playing golf. Supreme Leader of North Korea, Kim Jong-un, loves watching basketball. Isaac Herzog, President of Israel, has a passion for sailing. The favorite hobby of Abdullah II, the King of Jordan, is auto racing. The spiritual leader Dalai Lama enjoys repairing clocks. German retired politician Angela Merkel has a passion for football. The President of France enjoys playing piano. Favorite hobby of the President of Poland is mountain skiing. The favorite hobby of Albert II is oceanography. The favorite hobby of the President of China is reading books. Viktor Orban, Prime Minister of Hungary, loves playing football. The favorite hobby of Pope Francis is tango. The favorite hobby of Pedro Sanchez is playing basketball. The Prime Minister of Canada loves yoga. The President of Kazakhstan loves table tennis. Joe Biden enjoys playing golf. President of Azerbaijan spends his time with his family. President of Ukraine loves watching a movie. President of Serbia has a passion for playing basketball. The favorite hobby of Vladimir Putin is sambo and judo. Joseph Stalin loved smoking. President of Turkey loves playing football. President of Uzbekistan enjoys gardening. The favorite hobby of Alexander Lukashenko is hockey. President of Ireland loves watching football. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos.